Make $100 a day on YouTube without recording videos. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. It's actually possible to earn or make at least $100 a day without recording any video and uploading it to YouTube. There are so many ways of doing this and I will explain some of them here. After a short intro, let's start it. For many, making money on YouTube is the dream. After all, YouTubers appear to have a great life and the adoration of their fans to bask in. And since creating a YouTube channel is easier than ever, there is no harm in thinking big and aiming high. But while creating a YouTube channel is simple, turning into a cash machine isn't as straightforward. You may earn your first $100 by selling something or landing a sponsorship deal, but maximizing earning requires understanding all your options before you dive in. We have made this video to talk about how we can make $100 a day on YouTube without recording videos. Let's see. Number 1. Creative Commons. What this means is that there are some people who have uploaded their videos into YouTube but gives permission to a third party the freedom to use such videos. To do this, head over to YouTube, type in your desired keyword. When all the videos come up, click on the filter link and here is what you will see. Creative Commons option. Click on Creative Commons under Features. You will see some videos that will category of Creative Commons. Click on any of the videos and scroll down to the description where you will see Creative Commons Attribution License. You can see here different messages like this video has no negative impact on the original works. This video is also for teaching purpose. It is not transformative in nature, only used bits and pieces of videos to get the point across where necessary. It allows the reuse of videos with Creative Commons and even allows you to promote such using its Google AdSense. Number 2. Different templates. Second method is the use of online video maker that has tons of templates, images, videos that you can choose and make it your own. There are some that you can allow to add to the videos, and one of such is web.video. There are other video makers such as flexpress.com, introducing promo, create quality marketing video instantly, and much more. Simply research for more video creators through the search engine and choose the one that appeals to you most. Number 3. Compilation videos. It's a compilation video. This means you will look for videos that are similar in nature and free to use. Download the videos and compile them into one single video and upload it to YouTube, Vimeo, or even Instagram. If the videos are funny or popular, you get new subscribers and you can use YouTube Google Ads to monetize such videos. To compile your videos, you'll need to have video compilation software such as Open Broadcaster software, means OBS Studio, Open Short Video Editor, and much more. Number 4. InVideo.io. It's an online video making paid platform. If you want to get premium customized video without recording, you can subscribe InVideo.io. It has different package, monthly, yearly. You can select any one. Just see my step to create any video clips easily. To use InVideo.io, you can make any video easily. Number 5. And the last method I'll discuss here is hiring a professional video recording freelancer to do the recording for you. There are tons of these freelancers on fiverr.com, upwork.com, peoplehour.com, guru.com, freelancer.com, and much more. You don't have to record this video or the video yourself, and you can still make money from the videos if you know how to make your videos go viral on the internet. Okay friends, I have talked about how can we make $100 a day on YouTube without recording videos. For more information about it, you can follow this channel. If you have any question, you can inbox me or comment section below. If you like this video, be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.